Okay, today it's Friday today, right? Yeah. All right. Let's open the engine to see what's going on. I'm talking about this engine, not this, not this, not that, not that. Then you put the M57 engine in front of the Ferrari. How lovely. You are very brave. If something happened, we're gonna work for a year for free. Yay, how lovely. Anyhow, he's the guy here, right, to prepare the box?
Yeah, he'll come now.
Okay, then here, it's not related video. I have a question for you. That's what I don't remember. Bank 1 or bank 2? Bank 2?
Yeah.
You sure about that?
Number 6.
Number 6 cylinder?
Seven.
Should I bring the camera to check that again?
Yeah.
They put again the ignition coils and spark plugs. Oh boy.
I will move now everything there.
I'm gonna remove it, no worries, I have to open it. So now this is a checkup. This is a checkup to see the condition of the engine. To see if there is, because it's lived, just to see if there is any possibility that we can somehow save it, if we change something. I'm very curious to see also if they use the stock connecting rods and the stock pistons on an iron sleeve, stainless steel sleeve, iron sleeve, call it as you like. Okay, I'm talking about the sleeve that it's very thin and you don't have material to machine it, and when you press it inside, it ends up to be like an egg. And if it was the same sleeve, let us say, for example, if it was a cast iron and it was, let us say, 5 millimeters, 6 millimeters, and you're gonna be able to remove 1 or 2 millimeters to machine it properly, then yes, you're gonna be fine. But pressing it and then expecting to be straight, you don't have so many chances. I haven't seen the difference actually. Yeah, I have to remove the 30 torques, obviously. Let's see the engine since I'm here. I see sealant on the thermostat here. Why the fuck? Why? The coolant pipes I hope to don't break. I see here that they put sealant. How lovely. Instead of changing the O-rings. Amazing. We have some small oil leak here. It come from up now. Also here it's a little bit wet. A little bit disaster. Okay, here it's missing one bolt. Here it's missing another bolt. Omar! Did you remove any bolt from here?
No.
I see the charge pipes that are on the air. It's missing bolt here, it's missing bolt here on this charge pipe, and it's missing bolt from the coolant pipe that has here for the intercooler. Then this pipe, this bolt is here, this bolt is here. Lovely.
This one is gone.
Yeah, this is always cracking. We're gonna see about that. That's the last one. I just want to see, to inspect the engine before I touch it, before I open it. Just to see what's missing, what's here, and what's not. Okay. I need a couple of boxes to start putting the parts inside of the box. Yep. What's happening here with the plug? This is not correct bolt here. Here it's missing one bolt for the cover, the heat shield. Okay. I have to put here it's missing the bolt on the bracket. This is not the correct bolt. This looks like a bolt for the high pressure pumps. Did they mix up the bolts or what? No. Also this bracket has 40 torques. It has the same threads down over there, this bracket. And also this bracket has the, no, this is E. This is supposed to be not 40 torques. Anyhow. Okay, one second. What I did on the water pump, because the water pump has 40 torques. Yeah, okay. And the oil filter housing. Okay, it looks okay. It looks okay. Couple of bolts here and there. Then from this side, sensors, we are okay, ground, okay. Here it's missing one bracket like this one that comes here, and it's supposed to have also one plastic bracket here. It's supposed to have one plastic bracket to merge these pipes together. It's something small, and it's supposed to have also one black bracket here. Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you on the other engine to show you what I mean, which brackets I'm talking about. There should be one plastic bracket like this one, the white one, base color, and there should be another one black like this one. That's missing from that engine. I'm just saying. Because if I was able to fix it, if I'm able to fix it, this is gonna sit that back again. I'm not gonna leave it like that. Okay, alright. This is bullshit what it is. Here, from the vacuum pump, now that I said vacuum pump, I was having a conversation with a friend of mine regarding the vacuum pump. Maybe I'm gonna make a separate video. The vacuum pump, it's using this, like this type pipe. Let me see, there is any other engine? It's using this pipe because if you run from the vacuum pump to the boost solenoid with this kind of pipe, if it warms up because of the vacuum, it can be collapse. It can close. Or with air boxes, you can close it. What you're gonna have, worst case scenario, you're not gonna boost the car. That's it, not something crazy. You're not gonna lose the engine, at least. So, moving on. Alright, the restrictor, there is here. Why I was expecting to don't have a restrictor here? It's supposed to have an restrictor inside. I'm gonna say about that. There is the restrictor because it's bypassing the intercooler for bleeding purpose. It's bypassing the intercooler, it's dumping again inside of the coolant expansion tank. So here it's supposed to have one restrictor inside, but I cannot feel it. This is something standard that I'm checking all the time. That's why you see me that I'm going in specific spots, because I have seen some. The foam here, Omar! Did anybody? No, nobody removed the foam because the high pressure pump has been already plugged in. And it's missing one bolt here for the wiring, the other bolt is here. So that means it's missing also the foam for the high pressure pumps. Beautiful. And here I see on the centrifugal, on the breather if you like, I see sealant. Lovely. Alright. Definitely somebody for the engine. You're gonna tell me Tassos, it's sleeved. Yeah, you're right. What's going on here? Why the NOx sensors are down here? I mean, this, it's supposed to be here, and this, did they mix up? Yeah, they mixed up. Why they passed like an assholes? Take a look at the cable on the NOx sensor down there. Okay, so this one, it's supposed to be here at this point, and then the wiring is routed like that down, and this plug with the NOx sensor is supposed to be here up and not down here. This one, it's supposed to be here, and you don't have to mess with that. Sorry, other way around, from this side comes. Yeah, no worries, I'm gonna take care about this later, not now. This plug is here, this wiring, this clip is supposed to be here, and this is supposed to be inside. Because of the coolant temperature sensor, that they put a sealant also there. Yeah, they put also sealant also there. Yay, beautiful. Let's see from this side. Yeah. I want to remember to make a video for the vacuum pump. Yeah. Here it's missing the plastic bracket that's securing this line. Let me see, the other engine has. Let me see, where was I? This is on the bank one. That means from there it's supposed to have, there is metallic or plastic. Some of them they have metallic, some of them have plastic. Let me see, the other engine have. No, somebody remove it here. You see the 30 torques, but somebody take it out. Now let me show you the new engine. Dang it, I'm dumb. I'm talking about this bracket. Leave it, I don't wanna know, it's my mistake that I asked. So, one bracket that's missing here. That's okay. Are you sure about that, Mr. Philip? All the rest looks okay. Both are here. Full of silicone here. There is a black and there is a gray sealant. It's supposed to be here, but okay, better for me because I have to open it, right? Looking good, looking good. Looking good. Down there is a mess. Yeah, okay, alright, alright. Front, I said it's okay, I already checked on the front. Back, the guys that removed for me the flex plate, okay. Maybe no need to remove the flex plate because I'm not gonna open completely the engine. Silicone also on the oil return. Here it's leaking from the oil return of the turbocharger. Why they didn't put silicone here? How they didn't put sealant? Sealant, silicone, call it as you like. Alright, this is supposed to pass behind, and this was supposed to be, yeah, that's not right. This is the wiring for the AC compressor. So this clip here that you see, it has to pass behind and it has to engage on the, well, here, on the oil filter housing. Right here. And not passing like this outside. And this cable, it's passing through this side here, on the cold side of the turbo. Alright, the turbos, let's see the turbos, how it looks like. Yeah. Alright. Okay, the compressor wheel looks okay. The straight 8, it starts. It makes sound like a blow valve. It's missing one clip here that goes to the thermostat. So don't hanging like that the pipe for the wastegate actuator. From this side they put a silicone pipe that's very soft because of the oil probably. It's like a chewing gum. It's not the best. So here something's going on with the wiring harness. They put electrical tape. Okay, let's see from this side. Missing the cap and the nut, it's not correct. That's not the original cap, the original nut. This, it might be the original nut, but it's missing the plastic cover. There was a heat shield. This bolt, it's not right. It's 8 millimeters. It's supposed to have this kind of bolt, and there should be another one there. Should be another one here. It's so long, but it's okay. Again, leak on the oil turbo return, and leak also here. It's leaking like crazy. This is for the wiring harness and it's not being supported properly. Yeah, it's going behind actually. How they route it like that? Okay, never mind, never mind. Anything else? Something else? This is not something, this is not a rebuild. It's missing the stud here and the bracket for the collector. From the other side it's missing. Yeah, it's missing also from this side. This is a stud and the bracket. Okay, missing from both sides. To be equal, to don't be uneven, the weight. This is for a performance, reduction, weight reduction. Okay. Anything else? Nothing else. Yeah, start, not continue, start. I want to make one video for the vacuum pump, for the fitting actually, for the two fittings, to answer one question. I'll forget it probably, I'm not gonna do it. This is different, this is different. Either they change only the wire, because you can purchase this separate, or they change the coils. From this side, all of them are like that. Alright, again, only the bank 2, driver side, to see the condition, because this is the worst one. And then we're gonna see how it's gonna continue. That's it for now. Next video, when I'm gonna remove everything, cylinder head, oil pan down to see what's going on inside. When I see any problem, I'm gonna start make video again. Till I found, if I didn't see something, yeah, you're gonna see how it's gonna roll. Yeah, it's missing also the safe, like this one. It's missing from here. And this is twisted. What in hell is that? Okay. It's supposed to have a cable tied here, but this is a drop in the ocean, if you ask me. I'm happy that has the brackets. Here it's missing the rubber. There is one rubber like that. Here it's missing completely. Beautiful. Who's doing this kind of jobs? I don't understand. It's missing also the shape here. Yeah, screw it. Because if I start pointing what's missing, screw it. Now you understand why I'm putting more bolts. That's the reason why. Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you very much. God damn it, 15 minutes video.